Hi guys, welcome to Nira-Quiz. This or that. Build your fridge. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Comment your choices down below. Pick your fridge. Choose your favorite magnet fridge. Pick your fruit fridge organizers. Select your drink fridge organizers. Choose your egg fridge organizers. Choose your favorite fruit. Which one tastes better to you, blueberry or cherry? Do you prefer strawberries or grapes? Which one is your favorite fruit? Which fruit do you like the most? Which one is your favorite fruit? Which one do you like more, coconut or peach? Out of these two, which one is your favorite? Which do you like better, bananas or apples? Which fruit do you like the most? Which do you like more? Which one do you prefer? Out of these two, which one is your favorite? What's your favorite vegetables, corns or cucumbers? Pick your protein. What's your favorite protein, chicken or shrimps? If you had to choose meat or eggs, what's your favorite protein? What is your favorite drink? Which one do you prefer, strawberry juice or mango juice? Which do you like more? Pick your favorite drink. Select your favorite drink. What's your favorite snack and why? Pick your favorite snack. Which snack do you like the most? Select your favorite snack. Choose your snack. What's your favorite condiment? Which condiment do you like? What's your favorite meal? Pick your favorite meal. Select your favorite meal. Which meal do you enjoy the most? Choose your favorite meal. Select your cheese. Which frozen snack do you prefer? What's your favorite frozen snack? Which frozen snack do you eat most often? Pick your frozen snack. Choose your favorite frozen snack. Select your frozen snack. Which one do you prefer? What's your favorite? Thanks for watching.